pro, magaling siya ano ba yung isa? Yung amateur, siya, yun yung nabubugbog.
I think based on experience, yung longevity ng experience nung pros is mas matagal na siya dun sa field niya if compared to the amateurs.
Yeah, makes sense. So yeah,
may discipline.
Exactly.
Yeah, may yung mga pro.
Yeah. Sige pa, go. Throw pa. Malapit na. Pero
May sinasabi sila, di ba, it will take you about 10,000 hours to make you become a pro.
Yes, malapit na, Ed. Yeah. Yeah. So all of the things that you answered actually is tama. So sabi ni Donna, I think focus. They have one goal, and dun lang sila nakafocus. Yes, that's correct as well. So there is a better or correct or one term for that one sa lahat ng sinabi nyo. So yun yung sagot ko sa how can you achieve peak performance. Sana lumabas sa slide ng maayos, no? Deliberate practice. Okay? So, kaya nagma-make sense yung sinasabi ni Ed. So, 10 hours of practice, deliberate. Ano ba ibig sabihin pag sinabi mong deliberate?